trying Tuber Simulator seriously after 50 million outros? Maya! Maya! God damn it! Maya! Come here. Down, just down. It's still relevant. Just down a bit.
Fine.
A few moments later.
It's the dream.
What?
Try!
What? Are you serious?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're
I
fine
thought-
when you're not really
I
fine.
could
But
play
you just
the
can't
most
get into it because
relevant
they would
game.
never understand.
LOL!
Hey everyone, it's Migs back on our video, and today I'm gonna show you guys what or how you can free up more space on your phone. Like maybe you have a very old phone, because most phones modern today have a bunch of storage, even though the price is very cheap. But I have a old phone and I don't have plans yet, or I don't have enough money to buy a new phone. I'm still using my old phone, or maybe you have a phone with a bunch of storage but it's still not enough for you and you wanna clear up a little bit of space. Actually, if you do these steps, it will clear a bunch of space. Hold on, let me see in settings, and you will see the available storage is only 547 megabytes. Now, I don't have enough space, and you don't want to really delete any of your apps, like you don't want to delete any of your apps because you have deleted every single app that you don't really need. But then here you are still lacking storage. Here's some steps that you can do that will really clear up your storage and make your life easier. Here's the first step. Okay, first step is to find your manager. For me, it's called iManager. Here it is, iManager. It's most of the time the icon that has a shield on it. Yeah, my phone is a Vivo Y53, and it's the iManager I'm talking about is iManager for Vivo. And then for Oppo, I believe I'm not 100% sure, but my mom's phone is Oppo, so it's photo manager. I'm not sure, but the manager that pretty much shows you where you can find space cleanup or security retention, data monitors. Yeah, your app manager, and it's also the one that notifies you that the storage red alert, so you can just also click on that. So when you open iManager, you'll have not any manager, your manager, you will have space cleanup. Now if you click on that, it should show you the cache, junk, uses, APKs, and others. That's the trash. Now you wanna click clean up all. Now don't worry, it won't delete any of your important stuffs. It's just the cache. Now, but what if you don't have any manager or you can't find it? It's easy. You can also just go to the settings, more settings. You go to applications, and then all. Now you see everything in here has cache. It's small yet, like this one, 15.97 MB. If you clear that cache, it will clear it, and then it's like you being the manager, but manually. The iManager app like helps you clear the cache of every single one of this app, like all of it, by one click. You don't have to go manually. But yeah, so you need to really find the iManager if you don't want to go manually and clear it every single one, because that's gonna take forever. So empty trash, currently we have 563 megabytes available, MB, whatever. And then empty the trash, clean up all, clearing, and yeah, there we go. 840. Now it might not be exactly 394 MB that it's gonna clear, because I have an SD card on this phone, so it also clears storage on your SD card. So we'll get into the SD card later. But okay, so you've done that, and it might clear a bunch. Hold on, this is not updated. Yeah, it's clear. Yeah, there's a bug over here, but yeah, there we go. You have now 840 or maybe a better storage, but you need more storage. How about that? You need more storage, or this doesn't work for you. Well, here's another one. Step 2 is going settings, or tip number 2, and then more settings, then applications, and click all. Now what I like doing is sorting them by size, but not all phones, or not all, I guess, can sort them by size, but it doesn't really matter. So after that, you can now go and see all your applications, like some even hidden applications, like not displayed applications, but they're applications. So okay, like here, Mobile Legends, I do play it, I do use it, so you can clear it if you want. Like, see, it's 9.94 gigabytes. You can clear it and then click Mobile Legends, and if you have like a password or something and you're signed into your Facebook, you can also just sign up again, and it will lessen the gigabytes that it's using. It'll like refresh it and clear all the useless stuff that it can't detect the cache. So then Call of Duty, I can also do that, but 141 MB, and yet the clear data will only clear the data. So now you can clear all the data of these apps, but just make sure that you know the password or how to get in the current thing you have, or your accounts on those apps are connected somewhat. And yeah, I've done it before already. The next one is uninstalling updates. I don't know if it's what it's called for you, but you have this apps that are installed for you that you can't really delete. For example, this maps, I can't delete it. So what you can do is uninstall the updates. Now this app is using 165 megabytes right now. That's an okay amount. That's pretty a lot too. So you go click it and then uninstall updates. Now you don't need to uninstall the updates. It's optional. If you're using like the maps, or you have like saved applications or saved data on your app maps, like maybe you use maps on a daily and you saved where you live. If you saved where you live, you can click uninstall updates, or you can just not clear it. But if you're not really using it like me, because I use this phone more on games and stuff like that, and you're not really using maps, you can uninstall the updates. Now this will uninstall the updates, yeah, and like, yeah, if you click it, do you want to replace this app with the factory version? Now there we go. if you think that you are not gonna use maps for, or whatever the app is for, like you really won't use it in your life, you can also click force stop, because it won't update anymore, or it won't like add up storage. But for me, I use it like sometimes, so I just click uninstall updates, so you can still use it really. Now the 165, now it's on 0, right?
It's the dream.
Because I just cleared it. Now where's maps? Now it's only using 320 KB. Where is it? Where did it go? It's not much anymore. Hold on. Yeah, here it is. 320 KB. It doesn't use much, but over time it will get higher and higher, so you might want to do this on daily. But if you want to reduce it, like the storage of it going up, you can click force stop. But if you're using it sometimes, just like I told you, don't do it. Now I've already done that like this past week or this week, and that's why I have more storage now. Yeah, see, now there's a bunch of apps you can do that on, not just maps. Actually, I've just done it, that's why I've done it already, so I don't need to do it. Hold on. Okay, now most of the time the ones that you can do that is on photos. Yeah, photos. This one is another app that I don't really use. I mean, if you use this app like normally, you don't need to uninstall updates. Now I did because I don't use it really. I'm also gonna force stop because I don't think I'm gonna use it really. It's my main like viewer of photo is albums, so that's better. That's what, yeah, photos is not really connected to that. Then what else? We also, the most of the time that also has that much like that you don't really use is Google Play Movies and TV. Now for me personally, I don't use it much, and I don't think I'm gonna use it ever, so I uninstalled it and force stopped it. I don't know why it's back to, well, you might need to force stop it daily. And then you also got Google Play Music. Now if you use this app, you can, that's what I told you, don't uninstall it. I normally download the musics from my music on my, literally on my phone, and I don't use, or maybe you use Spotify and you don't use Google Play Music, so you can also force stop that. Now another thing that does that is, hold on, I've cleared it already. I wish I could show you guys that it does use a bunch of storage, but I already cleared. Yeah, Google Text to Speech Engine. You might want to go and click on that and then uninstall it. I mean, it's not really any much, and yeah, pretty much go and search your phone, all these applications you have, and try and see what you don't really use and you don't wanna use. You uninstall the updates, uninstall it, pretty much force stop. And yeah, okay, the other one, now the another tip is getting an SD card. Like, I have a SD card on this phone. It's a 32 gigabyte SD card, but it's kind of used some of it, and then yeah, I still have 15.83 gigabytes. Now SD card is very useful. Like, maybe you're someone that likes pictures and especially videos, you'll definitely need an SD card, because you can transfer all of that to this space, which will free up a bunch of space on your actual storage. Now you can use your SD card as a storage on downloading apps, so instead you can transfer the videos and pictures on it. Like for example, go to your file manager, do this, and then go to your phone, then you can find DCIM and then camera. Okay, blur that. For example, so you'll want to click and select all the pictures you want to transfer on that, and then click copy, and then go to your SD card, maybe create a folder, or just literally just paste it there. Like this video, like I have some videos here that I do want to save and watch, but I just put it on my SD card because this will really use a bunch of your storage on the phone storage. Yeah, phone storage is not expandable except if you buy a new phone. That's why SD card is very useful. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you on getting more storage. I mean, it helped me. So yeah, from 96% from 500 MB something, 500 plus MB available. Now we doubled the available space. So yeah, that's pretty helpful. Now you can now download more of the apps you want, and yeah, enjoy your phone that has now more storage. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video really helped you. See you guys in the next video.
All I want is on is get it. Hopping out the raid, let's get it. Smash 9 bitches.